Today I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully make Microsoft Edge a little bit quicker on your Windows 10 computer. So this should be a pretty quick tutorial and we're going to jump right into it. So we're going to start by actually opening up the Microsoft Edge web browser. So if you have this E icon on your desktop, you can open it up. Keep in mind this is not Internet Explorer, which has a turquoise E icon, and you can always search in the start menu as well if you're unsure. So now up in the URL bar you want to type in about, so ABOUT :config, so about :config, and then you want to hit enter on your keyboard. You want to scroll down to experimental features right here. You want to scroll down until you get to touch versus touch events. You want to make sure it is set to always off. You want to make sure it's set to always on. Underneath JavaScript, you want to enable experimental JavaScript features. And if you scroll down underneath accessibility, you want to make sure render backgrounds in high contrast is enabled here. And then once you've done that, all you have to do is just close out of the web browser. And you can reopen it, and hopefully your browser should be a little bit quicker. Now, if you ever wanted to go back to how it was before, you can just go back into this about config page. And all you have to do here is just reset all flags to default, and that would restore it back to how it was before we did anything. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.